watcher, you probably have been keeping a close eye on a series of events taking place in the sky this year. 2020 has shown the enormity and the consequence of these celestial events in the heavens. It has been quite a display, and the events are very revealing. At this moment, in this extremely unusual year, there appears to be a near constant bombardment of space rocks that approach dangerously close to our planet, or that occasionally breach the atmosphere. Planetary defenses are working overtime this summer in an attempt to monitor the sky for incoming objects, especially near-Earth objects that are considered as potentially hazardous. The final week of August begins with another trio of asteroids measuring over 82 feet in diameter that are presently visiting the Earth's backyard. On August 24th, 2 asteroids measuring more than 82 feet flew past our planet, both of which were detected just this month. The first asteroid that passed on August the 24th was 2020 PP3. It was 111 feet wide, and it came within 3.7 million miles of the Earth. It was spotted on August the 11th. This space rock was followed by asteroid 2020 PJ6, which was 85 feet wide, and it came within 3.3 million miles. It was spotted on August the 15th. On August 26, another asteroid named 2020 FF3, measuring 82 feet, travels much closer at a distance of 1.5 million miles. This space rock was spotted on August the 14th. 2 smaller asteroids will pass us on August 26th and 27th, respectively. One measuring 13 feet is named 2016 AH-164. It passes at a distance of 3.7 million miles, followed by asteroid 2020 QQ2, measuring 49 feet at a distance of 1.9 million miles. Putting the danger of these 5 near-Earth objects into perspective, the Chelyabinsk meteor that exploded over Russia in February of the year 2013 was only about 60 feet in diameter. So it wouldn't take much for a smaller meteor or asteroid to cause a considerable amount of destruction to a city or a populated area. The reason why the period for discovery of the larger space rocks is so important is because it leaves very little time for calculating trajectories if the objects are spotted in a short time frame. Meanwhile, another asteroid named 2018 VP1 is making media headlines worldwide, but NASA was quick to respond to the reports, issuing a carefully worded statement on Twitter feed, acknowledging that the asteroid due to approach 1 day prior to the 2020 election is too small to pose a threat to Earth. The small asteroid, said to be around 6 feet in diameter, was first discovered in 2018. It is expected to approach within 1 mile of our planet, a mere 4,700 feet above the Earth's surface. But NASA researchers added that the asteroid's chances of entering orbit are slim, around a 1 in 240 chance. If it does enter Earth's atmosphere, it is expected to create an enormous fireball, but it is not considered as potentially hazardous. The space agency has consistently downplayed any chance of a major city-destroying asteroid impacting the Earth. Given such an event, only a fraction of a % probability from year to year. Even if it were to strike the planet, there is at least a 70% chance that it would impact the ocean, diminishing the likelihood of a landmass impact. The announcement from space scientists comes just 1 week after a truck-sized asteroid narrowly missed the Earth on August the 16th. The space rock known as 2020 QG was traveling 1,830 miles over the southern Indian Ocean, and its approach went virtually undetected. This is the closest on record that any asteroid has flown past our planet without an impact. Asteroids that approach this close to the Earth can have their trajectories bent by gravitational forces. Calculations taken of the near-miss flyby show that asteroid 2020 QG rotated by 45 degrees as it swung past our planet. These observations are proof that asteroids that venture close to the Earth's orbit are likely to be pulled into the Earth's atmosphere, thus posing the potential for catastrophic implications for our planet. Many of the asteroids that skim the Earth's atmosphere are usually quite small, and most of them never reach the Earth's surface. But 2020 has been an exception, with some larger space rocks escaping the Earth's atmosphere only to explode a few miles overhead, creating shock waves in the process. One of these incoming space rocks impacted the Earth's surface in Nigeria on March the 28th, causing an ejecta-blast zone and leaving behind a crater 69 feet in diameter and 25 feet in depth. On August 18th, an immense fireball streaked across the night sky over Greece before crashing into the Aegean Sea. The meteor was so spectacular that it was clearly visible across many parts of the country. The event was captured on a webcam located in central Greece. On the same day at 8:35 p.m. local time in north-central Brazil, a large meteor shot across the sky, lasting more than 6 seconds. The fireball was captured by the Brazilian Meteor Observation Network. On August 21st, a spectacular fireball lit up the night sky over the Kanto region of Japan around 10:30 p.m. local time. The fireball is thought to be a chunk of an asteroid that was ejected from its orbit near Jupiter. The dazzling fireball was captured entering from the Pacific, crossing the sky near Tokyo. On August 22nd, a slow-moving meteor was captured by the Southwestern Europe Meteor Network. It was generated by a rock from an asteroid that hit the atmosphere over the Mediterranean Sea. It was spotted from a meteor observing station in Seville, Spain. In times of trouble, it is easy to get caught up in the emotions of the moment, such as the relentless wildfires out west and a monster hurricane barreling down on my fellow Louisianans, as well as those along the Texas border. So many infamous and disheartening events in such short order allows us to forget the good times we enjoyed not long ago, but what now seems so distant. When I ponder these moments, these snapshots in time, I am reminded of the ups and downs we must all experience. For if there were no night, then we would not appreciate the day, nor could we see the vastness of the universe in which we exist. All of us in time will partake of the bitter with the sweet. There is real purpose in the adversities that we encounter throughout our lives. They prepare us, purge us, and thus pave the way for the better moments that lie ahead. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching, and always keep looking to the sky.